jump through my arms. Once your dog has learned to jump through a hoop, you can build on that skill by teaching him to jump through your arms. Heaven is going to help us teach the trick of jumping through your circled arms. Now we teach this trick with a hoop. We're going to have the dog warm up by just going through the hoop a few times. And then you're going to gradually start to widen your arms around the hoop more and more. And then continuing in the same session, really quick, ditch the hoop and see if he'll still go through your arms. Okay, Heaven, can you do that for us? Heaven, hop. Very good. And hop. And again. Hop. And hop. Good job. Hop. Very good. What a good girl. Let's try that with some other dogs. Your dog may be a little confused as to what you want him to do, so remember to give him lots of praise and encouragement to keep him motivated.
Lassie, hop. Hop. Good.
Some dogs can be apprehensive about jumping that close to your head and body. If your dog accidentally hurts you, don't let on. He won't want to do the trick anymore if he's afraid he might hurt you. As you're practicing this trick, it's not uncommon to have several periods of regression where you have to go back to using the hoop again before you can go forward to using just your arms. But keep it up, and before too long, your dog will be jumping through your arms. Can you go hop? There you go. Good girl. Let's recap. Warm up with a few hoop jumps. Gradually widen your arms around the hoop. Set aside the hoop and have your dog jump through your circled arms. Don't be afraid to regress back to using the hoop a few more times. Soon, your dog won't need the hoop and he will be jumping through your circled arms.